In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add watermark, stock name, to TradingView background. By the end, you'll have the built-in TradingView watermark turned on and customized so the stock name appears clearly but subtly in your chart background. First, open Settings. On your chart, move to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the Chart Settings panel where you control how the chart looks. If your chart is in full screen, bring your mouse to the top and the gear icon will appear. Click it once to open. Next, go to Canvas. In the Settings panel, look for the tab labeled Canvas and click it. The Canvas section controls your chart's background, grid, and visual elements. We'll make all watermark changes here so they apply to the chart you're looking at right now. Now, enable watermark. In the Canvas tab, find the watermark option. Depending on your layout, it may be a checkbox or a drop-down. Toggle it on or select the On option. As soon as it's enabled, you should see the stock name or symbol appear faintly in the background of your chart. This is the TradingView watermark. It does not change your data or indicators. It's only a visual overlay to help you quickly identify which symbol you're viewing at a glance. Customize the look to match your chart. Click the color box next to watermark to open the color and opacity controls. Choose a color that contrasts gently with your background. For dark themes, a light gray or soft white often works best. For light themes, a medium gray usually looks clean. Adjust the transparency, also called opacity, so the text is visible but not distracting. Drag the slider a little at a time and watch the preview update behind your candles. If the watermark overpowers your candles or indicators, increase transparency to make it subtler. If it's too faint to read, reduce transparency slightly so it stands out just enough. Take a moment to zoom in and out or scroll your chart to make sure the watermark remains readable without interfering with price bars, indicators, or drawings. At this point, your watermark is fully enabled and tailored to your style. You've opened Settings, navigated to the Canvas tab, turned on the watermark, and customized the color and transparency. The stock name should now sit cleanly in the TradingView background, making it easy to confirm the symbol at a glance while keeping your analysis unobstructed. Your TradingView background watermark is now added, visible, and configured correctly. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.